Let's fill out the Florida motorcycle bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price. In our example, $8,500. Paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties. And it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. When selling or buying a motorcycle in Florida, here is what you need to know about the bill of sale and title transfer process. First, let's talk about the title. The seller must provide the original Florida title properly completed. The title also needs to be completed for transfer to the purchaser, so make sure all the buyer's information is filled in correctly. You will also need to submit a completed application for certificate of title. Each applicant must sign that application, so both parties should be prepared to put pen to paper. Florida requires a federal odometer statement, so the mileage on the motorcycle needs to be disclosed as part of this process. The purchase price must be included as well. And keep in mind that your bill of sale can serve as one example of proof that sales tax was paid. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.